Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the MAC Revoltion, 120 bar, 11 litres. Slow revving, this is the plus version, slow revving machine, 11450, 2.2 kilowatt motor, 3 horsepower. This is soap at high pressure, automatic stop start system. Soap at high pressure. Got a little non-return there, so no water on that side, remember that that's there, so no chemical can disperse back out the system when it's not being used. Main thing about it you also start off with is the thermal overload switch. So if you're using this machine and you're using it with a wound up extension cable and the volts start to drop and the amperage starts to rise, it will automatically knock itself off for you to protect itself on the thermal overload switch. Always remember, unravel. Got a good quality cable here that's on there, rubber cable. Stainless steel water tank, so that gives you the option of the soap at high pressure. That's where we get that from. Water inlet on this side, we've got a filter protecting the system itself, so always remember that that is there. Just pull that out, keep it clean, protects the water tank from dirt getting in there. You'll see a fuel filter in the bottom. That's for the fuel pump itself. You've got the high pressure outlet this side with a thermostat set up. Good old Danfoss fuel pump L3, 24 volt solenoid, and on the top you've got your ignition transformer here, give you spark to your burner. Great machine, great setup. Like I say, this is the MAC Revoltion 120 bar at 11 litres, running at 1450 RPM. Got the chemical tank at the diesel tank at the back here. This is surrounded in the tank itself, fully hardened plastic system, and you've got the chemical on that side. This can be altered round if you wanted to, and putting your chemical in there, we can change it round so you pull the pipe out and do it a different way. Thank you very much. Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.
Good morning, Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what I've simply got here is a MAC Drop Revolution doing 11 litres 120 bar. So as you can see, this machine's just been set up, so your power going onto 2 40-volt mains. Then got your high pressure outlet there, and your mains water going in there. Thermal overload switch is on, machine's on, heat's on. So what we're going to show you is the machine working. So the machine's on now, so I'll pull the trigger. As you can see, the burner's coming now. When I let go of the trigger, the burner stops. And the machine will then time itself out after a certain amount of seconds. If you've got a leak on this hose control lands, that machine will keep coming in and going zhup, zhup. As you can now, that machine stopped working. If you're wanting soap on this machine, obviously you fill the chemical tank up. We're not going to fill the chemical tank up because it's a brand new machine, obviously it's going out to another customer. So you fill the chemical tank up here, and all you simply do is turn the knob. If you turn the knob, it will then let chemical come through and comes out the end of the hose gun lands. Thank you very much, Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that's a MAC Drop Revolution.